Oh, don't throw. Only on the paper. Turn it over. See, watch. Turn it over. No. Okay, we're gonna have to put something down because we're getting marker everywhere. All over the floor.
Sammy.
No, not right now, honey. We will in a little bit. This will be a good outside thing. Here. Push down. Go. Bonk. Not on the floor. Over here. No. All right. Oh my gosh, there's marker everywhere.
It's okay.
Let's get our crayons.
Bye-bye, color.
Bye-bye, color. We'll get the crayons.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dada.
Bye-bye, pumpkin.